Okay, so here's my nice Christmas gift. Nice, nice. Very happy. Thank you very much. Now I'm just going to show you that I'm going to be using it. So check me out. Plugging the machine in. Got some nice coffee from Costco. $15. Very nice. Look at this. Ooh, hey? Gonna fill my machine. Oh, making a mess. Sean's not gonna like that. Okay, so here we go. I got beans in here. Now I'm gonna grind for 6 cups for tomorrow morning. And I like it coarse. No, actually I like it pretty much fine. So I'm gonna grind it on a beat. There we go. And start.